What's up guys? So we just took off the dash panel and we're gonna install the DSP on the BRZ. This car desperately needs better audio. Putting the head unit inside this, it did make it sound a little bit better, but it was still pretty bad. So I'm hoping to add some clarity and some punch with the DSP, of course with some new speakers. Unmount this. This is how I mounted mine. And yeah, so notice I have like a microfiber towel and like a sweater to hold it in kind of in place. These brackets are pretty sharp, so you definitely don't want to damage your interior. Installing the DSP is very simple. All you have to do is have this intercept the audio cables. So this would basically do the front speakers and this will do the rear speakers. So you just kind of have it in between. So I'm going to unplug the 10 and 6 pin in my case, and then plug it into this female connector, and then I'll plug in this 6 pin to where it was going. Alright, so I just unplugged this one, so these used to be connected, and these two, this one and this one used to be connected, and we're just going to sandwich the new connectors in between them. That's it. Once the cables are sandwiched, you're gonna notice like how does it get power. And here's the DSP. Whoa. And it plugs in just right there. Let's see if we get in focus. I'm gonna have this DSP in the glove box. That way I can adjust sound. Right, so we snaked it through. And lastly, all we have to do is plug it in. So should be secure. So the DSP is lighting up, which is a good sign. So the head unit, I unplugged it obviously, so it has to boot up for the first time. And I'm hoping that the audio quality has increased. So the music sounds a lot better, don't you agree?
I agree 100%, and when you turn it on, it makes a significant difference. There's clarity.
Yeah, so it's off right now, and then when you turn it on, wow, it sounds a lot more fuller. And you can adjust it to your liking, which is a really nice. You can control front bass and rear bass, front treble and rear treble, basically. So that's a huge win with the on and off switch. That's amazing how they did that. That's a really good idea, and having it makes the comparison a lot easier. Now, when you do get it, play with it, you're gonna like it. It's definitely worth it, especially for the BRZ. The audio wasn't always the greatest. Doing something like this only took 10 minutes. You just have to basically install it in between, and that's it. Took 10 minutes. Other than that, links below if you're trying to buy this. For the BRZ, it made a huge difference. For the WRX, I already had a better audio system, so it did help, but the BRZ was a bigger difference, and it's a clear winner. This really just elevates the audio. Anyways, that'll be it. Peace out.